Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to enable or remove YouTube dark mode on Android. We start by opening our YouTube profile. After that, click on the settings icon. Then we are going to click on the general option. Inside here, we click on appearance. Finally, here we will be able to choose the light or dark theme for our YouTube app, and we will see how it is changed. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.